You can dream about someone you know but don't remember seeing. Violent movements in your dream may be a sign of a brain disorder. Not all people dream in color. You can't control the dreams you have, but you can control them to a certain extent. Physical discomfort may cause nightmares. You may actually be dreaming about you needing to change yourself. Dreaming about killing someone could be a sign of repressed anger. Men and women don't dream the same. Our minds are more active when we're sleeping. We often forget our dreams. 50% of our dreams are negative. Dreaming of an ex may mean you're conflicted. Dreaming of someone doesn't mean they're dreaming of you. We rarely dream about friends or family, loved ones. Blind people dream too. You can dream of someone you haven't met. Thinking about someone before going to bed can help you dream of them. Dreaming about someone may be our way of solving our problems with them.